Hi, this is the NOKIA T21 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box. So this is just the first box. Let's open it. And here I just find some paperwork like the quick start guides, safety guides, and the warranty cards. And also here I just see the USB Type-C cable. So let's just check another box. Okay, this is the SIM eject tool, and here we have just any accessories. So that's there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.